from
Okay.
Pete.
From Pete
Up above
Velasquez.
Dylan.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Tagalog, ang kasagutan ay hinipan ng hangin. Ang sagot ay hinipan ng hangin.
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
Alright. So, ang hirap pala nun, sagot lang isa lang. Isang hangin lang, no? Hinipan.
Live from Quezon City, Philippines. Your news, current affairs, and public service channel. Margo TV Philippines. Live